Are you trying to make your office greener? You probably already tackled some of the big initiatives, using less paper, reducing waste, conserving energy. But did you know you may have overlooked a simple way to go green? Replacing traditional printer cartridges with high-quality, environmentally friendly, remanufactured cartridges. Industry studies show that a remanufactured toner cartridge has a 44% smaller total environmental footprint versus the national brand equivalent. Switching to remanufactured printer cartridges and participating in cartridge collection programs can reduce landfill waste, conserve non-renewable natural resources, and save you money. A recent study showed that 80% of business found the remanufactured cartridges met or exceeded national brand performance. We offer a broad selection of mono and color laser toner cartridges, inkjet cartridges, and mixer solutions that are compatible with all the leading brands. And remember, when a print cartridge is fully spent, it should not be the end of its life. Every year, over 350 million used printer cartridges are thrown away instead of being collected for recycling. That is equivalent to the weight of 20,000 African elephants. Empty print cartridges collected for recycling are cleaned, re-engineered with state-of-the-art components, and carefully refilled with high-quality ink or toner. Each cartridge goes through a quality assurance process and re-enters the marketplace at a significant cost savings, making them better for the environment and your bottom line. When we work together, we can have a big impact on our environment. Every item that we keep out of landfills through remanufactured and responsible recycling is another piece of the planet that we can preserve for the next generation. So start reducing your environmental impact and start saving today.